Okay, right, at last we're going to put the connectors on the power supply. Now, excuse me, it's just the right size too. Wow, I hope. I can't know very well. What I'll do is I'll just hook it in there like that. Alright, now I can see what you're seeing. Okay. Right, we'll connect these, I'll put this connector on, and then we will start wiring in these cables. No, I'm not going to keep the camera rolling while I do the individual cables, but what I will do is, there we go, job done, is I'll, as prepared as ever. I think I should be called the non-prepared scout. Right, cut these ends off out of the way. Yeah, I'll connect these wires off camera. I will come back and show you how to prepare the wires for going in the connectors. And then I'll go back off camera, connect all the others in, and then we will run same size cables across to the jogging panel. And I'm not going to use every single one of these black ones individually. They will be popped in so that all the cables are spread, so that we can get all the negative cables, the 3 point whatever cables, 12 and 5 volt. We've already got the control cables up here going back to the jogging panel. They don't have to be super duper, and that looks like it's come unglued, and it has. I'll have to think of something else, probably a tie wrap, same as I've done here. But as you can see, it's staying in position, so with it back, yep, it's still stayed in position, so I don't think I'll bother too much, but if it becomes a problem, I'll just stick a tie wrap in there. Right peeps, I'll get organised for preparing these cables, and then I'll bring you back, show you how I'm preparing the cables, and hopefully, yeah, I will. I'll make sure that you can see exactly how many are going into what, and then that'll be the power pack wired up. Then we're ready then to run the cables over to the jogging unit, and it should be good. And there is, if I to go to see it right. So I got the screen on the camera at a funny angle, I can't see it very well. There's the X and Y relays for the jogging panel, and the Z-axis will go alongside here. Alright peeps, well I'll get off and do that, and bring you back in a tick. Right, now I haven't shown you stripping the cables because everybody has their own way, and if you want to go out and buy a proper pair of strippers, that's great. If you just want to use a pair of strips, that's great. If you want to use a knife, that's great. Just be careful when using knives and cutters. Keep your fingers out of the way, otherwise you'll cut yourself. Yes, I am back on that safety thing again. And all you do then is simply twist all three ends together. Okay, then what I do, this is only personal preference, I then bend the wire over, and then pop it into the connector, and clamp it down. Now, the reason I bend it over is to give the terminal screw a bigger area to clamp down on. And that is the only reason. There's no hard and fast about that. If you want to do it that way, fine. I've got 15 black wires, so I'm going to do 5 terminals for the negative. I've got 4 for the 3.1 volts. Those I'll use 2. I've got 5 for the 12 volts, so I should be doing 2 with that. And I've got 6 of the 5 volt, so I should be using 3 of those. And then that'll take up all 12, if my mathematics is correct. Right, well I'll get off and do that, and bring you back when I'm done.